Okay, just for fun, we're gonna tour the Southernmost KOA. We're on heading to Sugarloaf Key. We're on the fishing bridge. This is Sugarloaf Key, and that is the Sugarloaf Key, Key West KOA holiday. Sugarloaf Key. Okay. If you keep track of mile markers, this is mile marker 20. It's right over there next to Mangrove Mama. See it on that Adopt the Highway sign. We are just now crossing mile marker 20. We're going to turn left on State Road 939B. Then we're going to take a cruise through the KOA holiday. Yahoo! They usually have openings, but not always. Looks like they're busy at the check-in. Okay. Got some nice campsites here. Quite a few back-in ones open. Yeah, this is quite the place here. I love it. They got a nice little marina up here. I think they rent boats. Got a nice little lizard. It says snorkeling gear, kayaks, paddleboard, boat, pontoons, and bikes. Boat rentals, slip rentals. Pretty cool. Oh yeah. Power up. They got power at the slips. This place is cool. Nice little boat ramp. It says it's slippery. Man, this is a nice one for the keys. Yeah, the pedal carts, yeah. The ones on the right are pull-throughs, left are waterfront back-ends. Pull-throughs are pretty cool. Back-ends are pretty nice too. I think you'd get satellite on any one of these. There's a Hallmark motor coach. I forgot, I gotta get a picture. Guess I'll just get one from here. Okay, I'm turning left. Hello. is a sit-in kayak. I prefer the sit-on tops for down here. Okay, we already turned there, so we'll go down here by the, see what the lift is doing. Wow, look at all the washer and dryers. Laundromat heaven. Is that the Diplomat? No, it is? Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's from Wisconsin.
That's a nice one together. It's in nice shape.
And they got a lot of open sites. I'm surprised. As nice as this place is. Very surprising.
Hello.
Howdy, how you doing? Georgetown. That star. You see them little scooters by that?
Yeah.
I gotta hang it right. I think I hit every street except for this one. Nice tables. I remember when they were building this place. I got a few drone videos out there from when they were building it. Vacation Suites. There's the first road I was on. This is the store and the bar, the laundry, the general store and the laundry. There's where the laundromat is.
Yeah, but all the washers and dryers are going in them apartment things.
Oh, yeah.
Each one of these is getting their own.
Wow. That's deluxe. And here we are back at the beginning. That's a swimming pool in there.
I just seen them taking them over there.
Yeah, that swimming pool off to the right too. Okay. That'll conclude our video. Unless you want to do one more loop.
Nope, see, he's got it on the left right there. And he's taking
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Taking
I'll
it.
be darned. So they're
That's kinda cool.
gonna have washer dryers in the. I'm gonna turn left, so watch out. Left. Want to circle around one more time. Circle around one more time. I'm gonna go to the right, then I'm gonna go to the left. There's them scooters there that look pretty cool. You wouldn't get much exercise, but at least you don't gotta tow a car around with you. Yeah, the only drawback I could see to being over here, look at the old Shasta. And that's a tiny little guy.
That's a cool one.
It's an old timer too.
Yeah.
That road never quits moving, so I guess you'd get immune to the road noise. Wonder what they charge for slips. Slip rentals. I'll have to look them up on the internet, see what they charge for slips. Howdy. Just watching out for the little doggy.
Where you going?
Left. And back here, you have dead end. One little known fact, if you keep going straight on this road the whole way, and I mean the whole way, you wind up at the burnt bridge. I'll show you. So you turn at mile 20, which is the KOA road. Go clear to the end of the road here. Clear to the end. And then you gotta have a bicycle or you gotta walk. And it takes you to the burnt bridge. North side of the burnt bridge. We're not going there today, but I definitely got some videos showing it. Hello. Okay. Looking good?
Yes.
You busy? You're, oh, I know where that goes. Yeah, you're goes to the north, goes by the burnt bridge. You ever been out there?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
It's nice to...
Yeah, it's kind of quiet. We can take our lunch out there occasionally. Looking good though.